I am going to run out of gas. I'm going to not get to a healthy place where fulfillment, just like a car, if you don't oil it properly, if you don't properly maintain it, if you don't work on its performance, then what happens? It's going to end up shutting down on you. And so one of the frameworks that has helped me on some simple steps on working on the business and not ending the business is the first step I always go to is you must be super clear on the goal, right? Determine what you want your business. And for me, it was the question of what do I want my insurance business to achieve in the next 3, 6, or 12 months? I had to break these goals down into actionable steps. And I've shared this on other episodes and other podcasts on in 6 months, I want to hire my first assistant. If I want 60 grand for my first year, this first assistant is going to make 35 grand. And I'm okay with taking that pay cut because I know in 12 to 18, 24 months, I'm going to 5X that, 6X that. And that was my vision. So I had to break these things down, and I had to get super clear. That was step one on what it is that I wanted my business to do in the next 3 to 6 to 12 months.
You know what I just heard there too, man, I think this is, if anyone gets anything, that's the nugget right there. I think a lot of people are thinking, I need an employee today. Oh, they've gotten so far on their own and they're like, I got to hire, but they didn't plan that out. It wasn't a goal they were leading towards. And so when they say, I need to hire today, and they look at, do I have the cash flow? Do I have money to do this? Do I have the system set up? They have none of it. And so it's kind of a scramble, and then they don't end up making any progress, no decisions. They continue to do what they do. Well, you said there, you'd actually had a 6-month plan. I'm going to hire someone in 6 months. And so the whole goal, like you said, getting clear, getting the goal, now you're working towards that. So when it's actually time to happen, like all the things are aligned as much as they could be. Yep. I think that's where a lot of people are going, they're not, they plan for the future. They know where they want their business to go, but that's a very specific, smart goal, hiring that employee and being very prepared